and press search button. And enter TOY43. And press search button. Choose Silica. Choose TOY43 903, 10. Check if the original key can work well. Press Menu and Info button to know the basic information. This key is guided by tip. Press Decode button to enter the decoding page. And select Round Off. Fix the original key on car key clamp. Press Decode to start decoding. Take away the original key. Fix the key blank on the clamp. Press Cut. Press Speed button and choose Normal Resolution button. Press Cut button to start cutting. Please remember to close the safe gate. Cutting. Cutting is done. Open the safe gate. Clean the clamp the new key. Take out the new key. Now, you can have a try if the new key works or not.